Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this video we will see how we can implement JWT authentication in .NET 10. Or it is a very important thing to know that whenever we create an API, the first step to implement the authentication over the APIs, because if your application, if your APIs is not secure, so it will be it can make trouble in your application. Okay, so without any delay, so let's get started with the main content. So let me tell you something that I have already installed the package, which is Microsoft.ASP.NET Core Authentication.jwt. You have to install this package, or the version is 10.0.0, because we are using the .NET 10 over here. .NET 10 is the target framework. Okay. Now, along with that, what I have done in the app settings, I have created the JWT property. In the JWT property, I have the four fields: key, issuer, audience, and expire in minutes. Okay, so my expire token expiration time is 60 minutes. This is the random generated key, or issuer is the issuer, and the audience is the same. Okay, so you can put anything here. Okay, it's totally up to you. Now what we have to do here, now let's do coding for the for the JWT implementation. So first, we what we have to do, simply uh, just go there, or just write the builder.services.add authentication. Okay, and the authentication type is bearer, like this. Along with that, add JWT bearer. In the JWT bearer, you have to pass the schema or the pattern of the bearer token will that you will gonna to pass here. Okay, and in the uh, now it should be initialize with the. Now we have to derive the things regarding the JWT section, and that how the JWT should behave. Like, okay, so first I will go with options dot token validation parameters. Okay, first we have to validate the parameters that we are passing in the JWT token. Okay, so I will validation parameters like this. Okay, now what you have to do, simply you have to mention the few things like validate issue, it should be true here. Along with that, you have to validate the audience as well. Okay, because it is very important to validate the issuer and audience as well. Along with that, I will validate the lifetime as well, lifetime of the token. So I will validate it. Okay, that's good. Or validate the signature uh, key. Okay, validate issuers. Okay, along with that, I will make it as a true. Now, uh, suppose if you don't want to validate the issuer and audience, okay, so it's not a big deal. Okay, but right now I am gonna to validate the issuer. Okay, so the is okay. So right now I am just adding the things statically like this. So I will just add like this. Okay, validate audience. Okay, that's good. Or audience is my app. Now you have to check the issuer signing key as well. It is a very important thing that you you should mention, like you should match the key value that you are sending in the JWT token. Okay, so symmetric security key, or it should be following with the encoding dot utf-8 dot get bytes. Okay, like this. Or along with that, I will just use it uh, statically. Okay, right now I am not doing anything here. Okay, so it's totally up to you. Okay, so I now, along with that, now I have to enable the authentication. So just use the app.use authentication. Okay, so in this way we have added the authentication and we have set up the very basic thing and very important thing regarding the JWT token. Now it's time to go with the request. Okay, so I have already created the user model. Okay, or I will use this user model in my API. So first what should we have to do? First we have to create the uh, JWT request. Okay, like JWT service as well. Okay, so I will just name it as a services. Okay, or I will add a new class which should be JWT token service. So I will just add a new class, or I will just name it as a uh, JWT token service. Okay, that's good. Okay, so and I will make it as a static class. Along with that, what I will do here, I will create a new function which should be public static string generate token. Okay, or I will just I will just take a username. Okay, so the username like this, or along with that I will okay, so it's enough the things. Now what I will do here, simply I will just use the security key. Okay, first I will make the security key like this. Okay, so I will just name it as a okay, or symmetric uh, secure. Okay, security key. Okay, or let me import the class. Okay, so the identity tokens, that's good. Okay, so I have imported it. Now what you will have to do, you have to do same thing that we have done in the program CS. Okay, you should always remember that you should do the same things that you have to that you have done in the program CS. Okay, and encoding dot utf-8 dot get bytes. Okay, or along with that uh, I will just pass the my secret key of the JW token like this. Okay. Now I will create the credentials as well. Okay. Or shiny credentials will be it will like it will follow the HMAC SHL256 algorithm. Okay, and in the credentials I have passed these things. Or now it comes to create the claims as well. Okay, like we have to pass the claims and it is a very important thing. So I have created the claims like this. Okay, in the claims I am just passing the uh, username. Okay, like this. Okay, or you can pass like email, phone number, anything in the JW token. It's totally up to you. Now uh, this is the token I have generated that you have to use the JWT security token class in the and you should you should add these parameters like issuer, audience, claims. You have to pass the claims as well, and expiration time of the token as well, or sign in credential you have already you have created the credentials like this. Along with that you simply just have to return a new symmetric identity of it. Along with that you have to pass like you have to return the token using the JWT security token handler, and this token handler will give you will generate the token for you. So in this way we created the JWT token service. Okay, and it is a very basic thing that we have done in the program CS. Okay, and so don't confuse that you have done a new thing again. Now what I will do, simply I will create a controller. Okay, in the controller uh, I will just choose the API controller. Okay, so let me add the items. Okay, so this is the API controller, or I will just name it as a author controller. That's good. or it will be inherited from the base class, or like controller base class. Now what I will do, simply I will just it is a very important thing to know that whenever you will use the API, okay, so make sure that everything goes perfect. Okay, so what I will, so simply I will just add a new thing here. Okay, so public uh, I action result. Okay, or I will just create a login API. Okay, or from body I will take the user model that I have created so far, or along with that I will I will make a request here. Okay, so simply you have to use uh, user dot name. Okay, or right now I am doing statically. Okay, so please don't do uh, please don't mind anything. Okay, so user dot password. Okay, so suppose I want to pass the password like Rohan at 123 like this. Okay, or if the password is like this. Okay, so now what it is telling me here. Okay, so cannot apply in the operand of the boolean and a string. Okay, so that's causing an issue. Okay, so okay, so I have to pass the double check here. Okay, now I will create a token. Okay, okay, if the successfully we match the our credentials. Okay, login credentials, so then we will be able to generate the JW token. So I will just use the JWT token service that we have created, or I will just generate the JW token, or in the JW token I am just passing the name that for the claims. Okay, along with that I will just return uh, with okay. Okay, so in this way we can create the JW token. Okay, or if it is not there, so simply I will just give the unauthorized credentials. Okay, so if I run this application, then we will be able to generate the token that we the token first, and it is a very important thing that we have done so far. Or first we will generate the token, and then after that we will validate the token as well. Or so we have so currently we will just uh, copy the name here. Okay, so the request, so it is telling me that invalid credentials. Okay, so it is working fine now. The name is Rohan, and I will send the request like this, or we will get our JW token. So we have generated the JW token that we have created uh, like this. Okay, so in this way we can create and implement the JW token. Now it's time to verify the authentication as well. Okay, so that we can check that our JW token is working or not. So simply I will just uh, verify. Okay, I'm verified token. Okay, I will just uh, create an API. Okay, or I will just name it as a token. Token is valid. Okay, or along with that, I will name it as a verify token, or I will add a authorize attribute. That's good. In this way we can create our JW token. Or and if you you see that I just created a basic API. Okay, or there after you have to use the authorize attribute like this. So I hope you love this video on .NET 10 JW token implementation. If you love this content, so hit the like button and share this video to your friends or colleagues or network as well. And guys, I just want to remind you, please subscribe our YouTube channel. And currently we are working on our website, and within 1 2 days we will gonna live it there. Okay, so there you will found the uh, daily blogs regarding the .NET and the SQL or JavaScript. Or after that, you will find the daily videos update regarding that and the all kind of updates you will find there. So thank you for watching this video till here. So till then, take care, guys. Bye bye. Have a good day.